Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an email campaign with Mailchimp, full guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account, go to Mailchimp's website and sign up for a free plan. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Campaign button at the top right corner of the screen. Choose email from the list of campaign options that appear. Enter a name for your campaign in the provided field, then click Begin. Select your audience from the drop-down menu. Click Next to proceed to the campaign design step. You will be prompted to select a template for your email. Browse through the available templates and select one that suits your campaign. Once you've chosen a template, click Continue. Now, you'll enter the email content editor. Start by entering a subject line that will grab your audience's attention. Personalize the subject line by using merge tags, if desired. Next, fill in the from name and from email address fields. In the content area, customize your email according to your brand. Add images, text blocks, buttons, and links as necessary. Utilize the toolbar for formatting options to make your email visually appealing. Preview your email by clicking on the Preview button to check for any layout issues. Test the email by sending a sample to yourself or a colleague before sending it to your entire list. Return to the campaign setup to adjust timing options, such as sending immediately or scheduling for later. Review the summary page to ensure all details are accurate. If everything looks good, click Send or Schedule based on your preference. Monitor your campaign's performance in the Reports tab after it has been sent. Analyze metrics such as open rates and click-through rates to gauge engagement. This concludes our guide on creating an email campaign with Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.